Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Wilton Super Mario, officially licensed by Nintendo, Gingerbread Castle. This is for 2022, the holidays, Christmas time. So there's what it looks like on the front. It's got 17 different pieces. You can see all the different pieces lined up here, but we'll show you what the pieces look like for real life. Here's some details on the back. You can pause this anytime and take a read. But that's what all the kit includes. All these dot items right here. Okay, so I'll put that off to the side. Here are the cookies. So not too bad. We'll just use some icing right here to reattach the corners on the castle tops. But that's what the cookie actually looks like. And you get some of the cookies here. And then you have one of the large cookies that you can color. Now if we take a look at the box right here, you'll see that this cookie has some fondant on it, and we have colored fondant that will go on here. And it looks like these pieces here is this part of the castle up there, and then of course these cookies, they're very large, go for this, and all these pieces right there. Alright, so now here is the piping bag that comes with it, and it has a piece on top to attach two of these nozzles. So there's that. And then you've got the really cool stars, the sugar stars. We know this from Super Mario. And then the gold coins. These are really neat. Super neat gold coins. All made out of sugar, edible of course. And then you've got the sugar mushrooms right there. And those come in a nice padded envelope so they're not broken. And then of course we have the Mario sugar piece right here, and that's also wrapped in bubble wrap right there. So we've got the gumdrops that go, if we look back on the box, they go right here on top of the castle pieces right there. And then in here, we haven't opened this up, but this is color fondant. It says right there. Some more colored fondant in this container. And then some coloring right there. So you get one tube of coloring, so you can color some of the piping right there. And then you get this part that says Super Mario right there. And you put your entire gingerbread castle in this part. So then it sits on your table like this, and then the gingerbread castle is right here. So here are all the pieces. It's 17 pieces right here for the gingerbread castle. And at the very end, it'll look something like that, with this part over here as well. This is the Super Mario Gingerbread Castle for the holidays, made by Wilton. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.